Me sitting here open-mouthed awaiting my portion of dysphoria. I'm a constantly bubbling think tank, a bank of pressure, raging thoughts, steam and ideas, but mainly steam. Bubbling, it's troubling, crumbling humbly. Cradle me, rock me, hold me, soothe me. Voice cracks and stutters, once smooth like butter, uttered the first shape of the word, but never quite managed the sound. I can never quite manage the sound. It's round and clings me from all sides, cling film stuck in the back of your throat, vacuum sealing your uvula. An empty essay entitled, "What is your favourite ADHD song? Is it Back in Black or Highway to Hell, and why? And why? And why?" If you have any idea what this is about, drop me a message when you reach hell. The art was going to come when it overboiled. So I was thinking of an overboiling pot being a good visual analogy, visual metaphor for what ADHD feels like. But what I've done is set this to a nice, gentle, rolling boil. So there's probably a message in there somewhere, isn't there?